It's the Army's 250th birthday. What is a great way to celebrate? A festival, of course. Join me as the grassy expanse of the National Mall transforms into an elaborate display of all things Army. Here we will find a myriad of vehicles and equipment, many of which are hands-on to the public. We will see interactive activity stations as well as plenty of soldiers assisting participants. And let's not forget about the live music and formal ceremonies performed at the stage in the center. Basic training starts now.
Let me save it here.
So this is the park police, and they actually have their stables pretty close to here for the horses. And that only opened up kind of recently.
Right, yeah. I'll use it after you. But it's okay. I got some. So that's an NBC one. So that's for nuclear biology. And then if you, that starts down again.
Would you like to forestry and vegetation, directly distributing for our ability to manage natural resources, an instrument now an outside station has advanced our knowledge of
Drones.
This is a fully staffed laboratory and science resources for bringing skills and leadership here. As we celebrate the 250th birthday of the United States Army and
you name it, we're adding it onto that capability and the payload. We're trying to, as technology matures, we're trying to start that capability.
the Army contributions are woven into the fabric of our nation's space. Whether on land, yes, in the air, in cyberspace, or in actual space, our Army soldiers are contributing from every domain. We must remain on the forefront of innovation and technology, developing solutions to problems that
But you can bypass
For my fellow soldiers, Army civilians and contractors,
battery gets damaged and fails. You can take it.
you are vital to the success of our nation, and your service matters. You are a testament to the strength and resilience of our country. Another reason for this very secure the highway.
I gotta get out of here.
50th birthday to the United States Army.
Just a chemical or biological. It could be an airborne contaminant.
Exactly what it's for. You gotta keep them dry.
That's a good backpack.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give these state soldiers a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, on this 250th Army birthday, Colonel Morgan will present a United States Army flag, deep blue into space, to all who have served in the United States Army. To accept this artifact, which will be displayed at the Pentagon, is the Deputy Chief of Staff for Personnel.
time.
You know, from this one, Marty. They did it? Okay, he said he could go in there, buddy. He said, Starling. He said he
Hey, at least it's not that high. Oh, it'll go further. I'm here with the executive, 9 facility soldiers at the Pentagon. They're going to show us some amazing things today. I'm also up here with the man you may recognize.
Hey, whether or not they hear I'm just worried about my buddy. I see you. Can you take that in 2 weeks?
I got 2 more. They're gonna
That's Smithsonian Natural History Museum in the middle.
She came to Bamsey during the critical care.
All the main Revolutionary War battle sites over here.
Hey, how's it going?